Good morning, students. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, and we are going to be starting a reading called Mars Can Wait, Oceans Can't. And that is going to be found in your My Perspectives text. But first, we want to activate a little bit of your background knowledge, so we're going to ask you to preview some vocab in Quizlet. And you can go to that from this first tile, and you're going to quiz yourself. There's 11 words. And go through those, make sure you're familiarizing yourself with those words. Remember, when you're done with that, mark as completed and move on to the next step, which is you're going to start the pre-reading questions in this Mars Can Wait, Oceans Can't question document, which you have been assigned in your assessments section of Otis. So that looks like this. And you are going to be doing the pre-reading questions first. And then once the pre-reading is done and you get to the part that says read the text, then you're going to go to the textbook. So remember, you can log into the textbook by clicking on the Pearson Realize tile, and eventually you will be taken here. Now there's a couple ways you can end up at this page. So if you are taken to this, hold on, wait for it, this screen, you can either just search Mars Can Wait, and it will be the second one that pops up, and it'll take you there, or you can go through the whole table of contents, Unit 5, Independent Learning, Mars Can Wait, right here. So either way will work. Then you need to read the text. I like to minimize this so I can see more. Read the text and then mark that as complete in Otis. And then you have to go ahead and finish the reading comprehension questions at the end. So you'll be doing this document twice. Once you're going to do the pre-reading questions, then you're going to read, and then you're going to come back and finish up the reading comprehension questions. So that is all for today. If you have any questions, remember you can always drop in on one of our drop-in Zoom meetings from 9 to 10 or from 1 to 2 every day. And happy reading and happy work time.